Hello, my name's Judy Semugabi Bachaita, and today we are going to have our Luganda lesson 7. Essomo ery'omusanvu. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. We are going to learn about parts of speech. In Luganda, we have 8 parts of speech. These are erinnya. Erinnya, that's noun in Luganda. Nakongeza linnya. Nakongeza linnya, adjective. Nakasigirwa. Nakasigirwa, that's pronoun in English. Ekikolwa. Ekikolwa, verb. Nakongeza kikolwa. Nakongeza kikolwa, adverb. Nakalazi. Nakalazi, preposition. Entababigambo. Entababigambo, conjunction. Okukungiriza. Okukungiriza, interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech we have in Luganda, and we'll see one by one. So we are starting with number 1, erinnya. Erinnya is noun in English. Erinnya. Amannya gawulwamu emirundi ebiri. Amannya ag'enkalakalira ne amannya ag'olukale. Nouns are subdivided into two proper nouns and common nouns. Amannya ag'enkalakalira, that is proper nouns. Amannya ag'olukale, that is common nouns. Amannya ag'enkalakalira, omuntu oba ekintu. Kwegamba amannya ag'enkalakalira gawula omuntu oba ebintu okuva ku birala. Okugeza, proper nouns distinguish an individual, item or person from among many. For example, Semugabi, Musoke, Nansubuga, Zanzanze, Kampala, Johannesburg. So all these are proper nouns. They distinguish between each other. Like you can tell that this is Semugabi and the other one is Musoke. Those are proper nouns. Amannya ag'olukale gaweebwa ebintu oba abantu nga tuyawuddeemu. Common nouns are given to a class of items or beings without distinguishing a special member or item. For example, okugeza, mulenzi, boy. Mulenzi, boy. Muwala, girl. Muwala, girl. Musajja, man. Musajja, man. Mukazi, woman. Mukazi, woman. Motoka, car. Motoka, car. Simu, phone. Simu, phone. All these are common nouns. These are common nouns. As you can see here, in Luganda, we write these names if you are writing a sentence, and these common nouns are not you are writing a sentence and they don't appear at the beginning of the sentence, then we use small letters like this one, mulenzi. But if the common noun is when you are writing a sentence, you are starting with this common noun to make a sentence, that's when we use a capital letter. The initial letter should be capital if it starts a sentence, but if it is in the middle of the sentence, we use small letter like this one, mulenzi, mulenzi. That's the end of our lesson 7. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'omusanvu. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed other lessons, you'll find them at Judy's Basket on YouTube. Just go to YouTube, search for Judy's Basket, and please, when you get there, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully you've learned something from this lesson. We've learned about parts of speech. We have 8 in Luganda, but we only saw one today. We only saw one part of speech, which is erinnya. Erinnya in English is noun. We saw noun, erinnya, and we saw that noun has proper nouns and common nouns. So I'll see you again for lesson 8 when we learn about more parts of speeches. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Mwelaba.